Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into RECAL Mortgage Calculator app review. So to get started with a quick overview, the RECAL is a dual-purpose mobile app that functions as both a mortgage calculator and a traditional mathematical calculator available on iOS and Android platform. It allows users to compute a mortgage payment, loan terms, interest rate, and a loan amount. This app also accommodates additional financial factors such as property taxes, house owner insurance, mortgage insurance, and a down payment, with a support for both month and semi-annual Canadian compounding. RECAL aims to serve a broad user base, including a real estate professionals, a mortgage brokers, and a home buyers. Talking about the strength of this platform, it comes with a wide range of strength. So one of these strengths is a comprehensive mortgage calculator, additional financial input together with a authorization and a loan summary together with the user-friendly interface. Now, talking about the downside of this platform, it comes an updated Android version together with the limited advanced features and inconsistent payment across the platform together with the basic interface design. And here's a good bottom line about this platform. RECAL serves has a practical tools for individuals seeking a straightforward mortgage calculator with the added benefit of traditional mathematical functions. It's available on incorporate various financial factors and generate details, memorization schedules, make it a successful for both professionals and a prospective owners. However, the lack of recent update, especially on the Android platform, and the absence of advanced features may limit its appeals for users requiring more comprehensive financial planning tools. Overall, RECAL is available option for basic mortgage calculators, but may fall short for those seeking a more robust and a modern application.